This is a 20 years old house. Unbelievable, isn't it? I will tell you why. Because we renovated this 20 years old house to a brand new house. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Harini Chandrasekhar, the Chief Architect at Inkstone Infra, the number one home renovation company in Bangalore. This is a full home renovation project that is located in Nagar, Bangalore. The scope of the works included are front elevation remodeling, structural renovation, complete interior design and aesthetic upgradation, bathroom remodeling and floor renovation. I have explained the structural renovation aspects in detail in my previous video. Please check the link given in the description below. In this video, I will take you through the interior renovation and design of this 20 years old house. After correcting the space planning through civil renovation, we designed a modern living room, a fully functional modular kitchen, wardrobes in the bedrooms, and a welcoming foyer design. Let's start with the living area, the social core of the home. Originally, this space lacked a defined TV unit, a dedicated sofa space, making it feel incomplete and cluttered. Now, we have introduced a sleek modern TV unit with clean lines and balanced proportions. This TV unit also holds a secret. Guess what? A common bathroom is hidden. Moving on to the master bedroom. The redesign involved rethinking of the space, which is demolishing the old wardrobes that narrowed the space and designing a modern wardrobe with maximum storage and without compromising the style. There is a hidden mirror in this wardrobe. Take a look. Now, the kitchen, where functionality meets precision. This fully functional modular kitchen is designed to make everyday living effortless. With optimized layouts, ample storage, and easy accessibility, Every element serves a purpose. The finishes are modern, durable, and visually cohesive with the rest of the home. In the second bedroom, the design follows the same philosophy: ample storage, clean aesthetics, and a harmonious look that complements the entire home. The bathrooms are remodeled. This is the master bathroom transformation, and this is the new common bathroom. What once felt like a space with limitations is now a home with possibilities. So, this was about this 20 years old home renovation by Inkstone Infra. For old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, architecture construction, and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.